I'm Chef Dan with FreshPoint, and today I've got one of the hottest new items on the market, zucchini noodles. So how do you use zucchini noodles? Well, any way you'd use spaghetti. You can steam them and then toss them in a little butter, lemon juice, and garlic for a scampi style side dish. Personally, I like to simmer them in tomato sauce for about 2 minutes. The texture of the zucchini really absorbs the tomato flavor and really has an effect of cooked pasta on your plate. You can use them raw, maybe use a little basil pesto, some fresh mozzarella, and even some cut up cherry tomatoes for a side dish reminiscent of a pasta salad. Nutritionally, they're very strong. 2 cups of cooked pasta has 480 calories, while 2 cups of cooked spiralized zucchini only has 66. Lower carbs, higher fiber means these are a great option for your low carb, gluten-free diet. I'm Chef Dan, and fresh things come from FreshPoint.